Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw XRP from Uphold to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your XRP seamlessly, this guide is for you. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Crypto.com, and that you have some XRP in your Uphold wallet. Also, double-check that you're familiar with the basics of crypto transfers to keep things secure. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find the Assets, or Wallets, section. Look for XRP in your list of holdings. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. In the XRP wallet page, you'll see an option to withdraw or send. Select that, and it should prompt you to enter a destination address. But hold on, don't rush. Before you do this, open your Crypto.com app or website and log in. Go to your Crypto.com wallet, select XRP, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial because every address is unique, and using the wrong one could mean losing your funds forever. Step 3. Back in Uphold, paste the Crypto.com XRP address into the withdrawal field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember, Uphold might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and the destination address. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit tight. The transfer time can vary, but in 2025, with improved blockchain tech, it should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on both your Uphold and Crypto.com accounts to confirm when the XRP arrives. A quick tip: always use the XRP network for this transfer, as specified in both platforms, to ensure compatibility. And never share your private keys or seed phrases. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.